Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I want to thank you. We have reached 100 subscribers, and I know it's not a massive goal, but it's just a little bit of an achievement, and I want to thank you for all the support that people have been giving me. It's been really great. You guys have made this like a really fun, kind of sick experience. Well and truly I need to do something about the state of this car. But first, we are going to go to the beach. Look at those shades. It's so bright out.
Like, come in.
No, I've just got like this massive white soft top that will...
Do you have the other one though? Do you have your other one?
Oh, the mini mile?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Ching! Money in the bank!
But yeah, I can just go tandem surfing and stuff, and then we'll meet with the people there. Kidding. Like, they're real good, like doing cutbacks and snaps and all this, and I'm like, oh, rough. Alright, so the plan is
We are ready to go!
tandem surfing, twin fin, soft top, no leash. Let's go high, what's this kid doing?
Hey guys, it's Carrie. So this is Josh. We've met him before as well. We're just at the beach and I've got the okay, we're redoing this. Okay, I'm Carrie. This is Josh. Oh, he's looking so good. Blah blah blah. So we're here and I'm given the job to film Sam and Jack making a, oh, what's it called? Like, fool of themselves. That's the word. So that's what we're going for. And intro, bam, boom. How did it go?
Didn't really go to plan. Didn't really work, but we're gonna take a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna try and do it longer. Nah, let's make it more.
Do you guys want to be on YouTube? No, why not? Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hi. This is Tamara and Roxy. Roxy? Yeah. I like it. Nice. Yeah, we should hear it. Wait, follow him on Instagram and her. What's your name, Donna? Tamara_Rosella_.
Just and surf.
Okay.
Roxy_Rox11.
Me and everyone. Where are you, Josh? Oh.
Yeah.
We just met some really cool people, and you should definitely follow them on Instagram. Definitely, the link will be in the description. Yeah, definitely go follow them.
Had a sick day at the beach, surfed bad waves. It was really good. There's a few wee wang-tang nuggets.
Great nugs.
Yeah, we made some new friends, which is always nice.
Oh, you left your jocks outside, Jeff.
Did I? Can you chuck them in?
What size is it?
Leave the grubby jocks. The latitude has been pretty high today, but I'm gonna do some slack climbing. But the surf was terrible, but good company. think my slack line just broke. By the way, that's 5 days worth of stuff. Vlogging takes so much more time. That's all. What the heck? You got sausages there. You throw sausages at me. What the heck? Oh, shoot, man.
Oh, feels good to finally be famous.
Yeah. Yeah, 71 days.
Man, how's it going?
Yeah, I know.
It was her idea to do that. I didn't even ask you. I'm not taking over Jack's vlog at the moment. If you want to know a little bit about me, my name's Taden Keen. Hit me up on my socials. Got Facebook, not Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Give us a like and a thumbs up.
So, it's been good. Crashed a motorbike. Got wrecked. Oh, not too bad, but I crashed a motorbike into a fence. So that was fun. We're gonna go check the surf quickly and then we're gonna head home because I realised I left my wetsuit at home and I need my wetsuit for work, so I can't stay the night unfortunately, but really nice night. Had a sick day. Went to the beach for like 4 hours, which is lit, and I crashed a motorbike, so that's always fun. But I'm gonna end the vlog there, so catch you later, guys.
What are you doing, Jack?
I'm screwing up all my schoolwork and I'm lighting it on fire.
Why?
Because we're finished and we never have to go back. Carrie and I, we are having a little ceremony. Here we are. Look at this.
We're burning rubbish.
Things to do today. Nothing. To be honest.
I'm so excited! All this rubbish I do not need! Well, I probably need it, but...
No, you don't need it, okay. Is this English? Is that English?
Help. I actually bought some rubbish from my room. I think that's a bad idea.
Yeah, I feel like you should take that off.
No, it's burning the grass now.
Yeah,